In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks. If you've accidentally deleted a transaction in QuickBooks Online, don't worry. While deleted transactions usually can't be brought back with a single restore button, you can still recover the information by using the audit log and then recreating the transaction from the original record. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can restore it with confidence. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're logged into the correct company file before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. That will help you avoid restoring the transaction in the wrong place. Once you're inside QuickBooks, click the settings icon in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, select Audit Log. The audit log is where QuickBooks keeps a history of activity, including transactions that have been changed or deleted. This is the key area you'll use to recover the deleted entry. Next, locate the deleted transaction and open it. Depending on how much activity your account has, you may need to scroll or search carefully to find the exact record. Take your time here so you choose the correct transaction. After opening it, review the transaction details in the audit history. This section shows you the original information that was entered before the transaction was deleted. Look over the date, amount, customer or vendor details, account information, and any other important fields. This review is important because it helps make sure the recreated transaction matches the original as closely as possible. When you're ready, click Copy to New. QuickBooks will use the deleted transactions details to create a new version that you can save again. This is the main method for restoring a deleted transaction in QuickBooks Online. Now review the recreated transaction carefully and make any necessary changes. Even though much of the information may already be filled in, it's a good idea to double-check everything before saving. This helps prevent errors and ensures your books stay accurate. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That will store the recreated transaction back in your records. Finally, verify that the transaction has been restored. You can do this by checking the relevant account, customer, vendor, or transaction list to confirm that it now appears where expected. This final check is a good habit because it helps you confirm the recovery was successful. Thanks for watching.